G'day there, how's it going? I'm just rummaging. I love that word, I love rummaging. Rummaging for all sorts of bits and pieces for today's project. Okay. Like this. G'day, how's it going? Okay, today we're going to try and keep these kids entertained by making a few necklaces. Not necessarily carpentry, but it's something to do, eh? I mean, half the fun is actually rummaging through the house looking for items to use for your necklace. I've used all sorts of Lego here. We've threaded through there. We found some beads. It's fairly standard, I guess. Batman fidget spinner. That's pretty cool for the superhero. This one's a little bit more garagey, a little bit more industrial, with some blocks of wood and some nuts just threaded through. And this one here is very natural, I would say, very natural. I've just trimmed some branches, diced them up, and then drilled some holes. So that's really simple. I might go through that now. So all we do, make sure you're using some grips or pliers rather than try and hold it with your hands. And you might have to get one of your parents to do this, but you can just drill holes. There we go. So we've got a whole pile of these. I've pre-drilled, and that one's pre-drilled. I might go. Get your shoelace that you've asked Mum and Dad for, and we can just thread a few things through. These are they're a bit tricky, those long bits. I might just skip those for now. There we go. Voila! One unique to you necklace. No one else has got one like this, just you.